Hey, it's me again, Gloria, yay, from Divine Fitness for Life. The other day we did a quick DIY on making flaxseed gel in a really quick and easy way. I didn't have time to apply the flaxseed gel to my hair. So today I'm going to do a little bit of portion of my hair for the camera. What I wanted you to see was that I don't have that already naturally spiraled cute look. My hair is really naturally tight. So this is the not so blowed outside, and this is still blown out. It's not 100% converted back, but just wanted you to see that it's not already super defined and all of that stuff before we start. So what I would do is I'll put a little bit of alkaline water from Divine Health Water for You. Put that on, and then I will apply a little bit of my own DIY cream that I do. I try my best to eliminate as many chemicals from my daily hair regimen and body regimen as I possibly can, because I've found that so many things have begun to break me out. So I'll add that. This is a cream. It has aloe vera juice. It has castor oil. It has a little bit of shea and a few other butters and things that you probably never heard of. Okay, so I'll apply that first, and that'll give me a little something, curly a little bit, but that's really going to get me a little bit of moisture is what I'm looking for from that. Turns it white for a little bit, but it dries clear. So then I'm gonna add my flaxseed gel that I made the other night. Still kind of cold, but as you can see, it's still plenty slimy. Okay, yay, slimy. Again, I didn't let mine sit quite as long as some people do, because I wanted to be able to strain it instead of having to put it in the stocking and do all that extra, because I ain't got no time for all that. I'm constantly on the go and moving and doing something, as are most of you. So there you have it. I've applied it. Again, it's going to take a little while longer to revert back because I had blown it out. So what I will do is I will go ahead and finish the rest of my Afro puff. That's what this is going to end up being. And I will come back. Okay?